We have been wanting to move up to this area and looked into Jacksonville, and TPC opened up. It was very exciting. It's something that was very passionate for me, furthering my career like this. So I get to kind of be here with the best of the best. It is a very large facility. Most equipment I've ever seen in one place at one time that wasn't necessarily a dealership. Day one, right in it, just full go. I walked in and a week later we started overseeding. I have an outstanding team. I'm bringing in a different feel and a different way of doing things that they have been accustomed to, and trying to keep up with technology obviously all the time because it is constantly changing. These guys have been doing the players for many years, and they really know their stuff, and I wouldn't be anything without them. They really are the backbone for me in here in this shop.
Cash is everything that was advertised with him. He's come in and he's just done a fantastic job.
I did take and soften the edges up on the bed knife, so hopefully that'll get us where we want to be.
Cool. We have extremely high expectations in every aspect of the property, and he's hitting those marks at every turn.
Our day will probably start somewhere around 4 o'clock in the morning, getting mowers, making sure everything's set from the day before. The volunteers will come in after that. Mowers will go out and mow. We'll check things out on the course. We'll make sure everything's good. We'll have mechanic stations out there. So if something does happen, we're right on it. There's no delay in us getting out there. And all the equipment will come in. We'll go through it all again, adjust it, set it, level it, put it back out, and have it ready to go for the afternoon. And then we'll do it again, and somewhere in there I heard we get to sleep a little bit, but I haven't been promised anything.
This is going to be a baptism by fire through this week. He's not wavering yet. We haven't seen anything. We've seen his guys rally around him. Once he gets this one under his belt, he's just going to keep raising and elevating our standards to new levels.
The relationship with Jeff and Lucas is outstanding. I'm sure they want me to succeed as much as anybody. And that's what I'm here to try to do, is just the best we can.